Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Skipper, Babysitters Inc. dolls. I have been doll hunting like crazy trying to finish my collection. After finding Skipper and Skipper Nikki, I found these 3 individual dolls. And I was just so excited to find them that I kind of opened them without making a video. I needed them for my Care Bear room. I love these Care Bear Caremoji blind boxes. I already have this one. I found all of them at Target for $9.99. They came with a cell phone, a bottle of some sort, and paperboard accessories. And I really wish that these were not made of paper. That would have been so cute and miniature. Online, I didn't see a character name for the dolls. Well, I did for her. It said Nikki. But they are often described by their paperboard accessories. This is popcorn set, pizza set, and coffee. I love their clothes. She wears a navy blue floral dress with gray boots. She is wearing a blue jean overall dress with emoji patches and a striped shirt. It is all one piece, and she wears it with a pair of black sneakers. This doll is wearing a pink striped shirt with black floral shorts and pink shoes. For me, these 2 were the most difficult to find. In fact, I just gave up and bought them on Amazon, which means I had to pay more than just $9.99. Yeah, I wasn't happy about that. But I just couldn't find them, and sometimes a doll collector has to do what a doll collector has to do. This is Babysitters Inc. Boy, and this is Babysitters Inc. Ice Cream. Let's take them out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, they both have cell phones. The boy is wearing a blue and gray V-neck t-shirt, gray pants, and white shoes. He comes with a blue bottle and paperboard accessories. Skipper Ice Cream is wearing a tie-dye shirt with no Velcro in the back. She has denim pants with an elastic waistband, bright pink shoes, a light pink bottle, and paperboard accessories. I can balance most of the dolls to stand on their own. However, my ice cream stands at a weird angle. Her feet are like turned up, which makes her lean forward. No! I guess she'll just have to stay on a doll stand. And now we just need Skipper to finish the group. Here is Skipper in a playset. This was priced for about $20. On the back of the box, you can see other available playsets. We have this one, and I'm still looking for that one. Out of the box, we have Skipper wearing a gray shirt with a smiling globe wearing a flower crown. She has on a denim skirt, pink sneakers, carries a light blue bag, and a pink bottle. She comes with a purple and gray stroller, and when you push it, it makes the seat go up and down. That will make a very interesting walk in the park. And there are several plastic accessories, like a cell phone, a Fisher-Price cell phone, teddy bear, coffee, and a bag of animal crackers. The little girl that Skipper is babysitting stands a little over 4 inches tall, has pigtails, wears a yellow jumper, and white shoes. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. And there is a small bracket inside of the stroller that helps to hold her in place. Now that everyone's here, let's do a little experimenting. All of these Skipper Babysitter Inc. dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation, but I want them to have a little bit more. But I really don't want to give them a made-to-move body because then they'll be just as tall as Barbie, and they're supposed to be shorter. I tried Project MC Squared, and they were total bobbleheads. Then I tried Ever After High, but that neck is giving me made-to-move Shopkins flashbacks. What if we try Disney Descendants? Evie looks like a pretty good match for ice cream. It's not going to be a perfect match because these are different brands, but let's go ahead and give it a try. Now everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. It worked! The skin tone is actually really close. And now she has elbows, wrist, and knees. And she is still shorter than a Barbie. Evie, on the other hand, well, yeah. Let's see if she can fit her old clothes. Yep, everything except for the shoes. So they have to rock Descendants shoes, but now she is able to stand. Let's try coffee with our leftover Uma body from a previous made-to-move video. Descendants neck pegs break pretty easily, so you have to be careful. And once the Barbie head is on, it does not want to come off. Popcorn's best match was also Evie. However, I cannot find perfect matches for these two. Jordan is as close as I can get for her. Then I found another skipper with a slightly lighter skin tone, matched her with Jane, to make our Descendants Babysitters Inc. And I was able to go back to the original skipper face mold that I love.
Yeah, that's nice, but what about me?
Well, Ben totally doesn't match. And I'm looking for someone with bendable wrist. Let's try Ever After High's Huntsman. We can recycle the one that we used on Salt Bay. He has a Ken head, but it is a little wobbly, so maybe his will fit better. The skin tone is perfect and the head fits a little better. It's just a little loose, but I can totally live with that. Yeah, he's not a bobblehead. He can still fit the same shirt, however, he cannot fit his pants. But he can wear Ken's clothes, so that's pretty awesome. And he can fit Ken's shoes. The girls' shoes made them a little taller. But as long as the Barbies are wearing heels, Skipper is still her little sister. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie Skipper Babysitter Inc. dolls and made a few changes to create our own Descendants Babysitter Inc. dolls. Or would they be Skipper Descendants? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily and for some doll head transplants. And that's our collection for now.
City boy.